What if your automation could work like a smart team instead of following fixed steps? Instead of weak scripts and too many tools, imagine AI agents working together in real time while you stay in control. Today, we're exploring Astron Agent, an open-source platform that helps you build, run, and scale multi-agent AI workflows for real production use. Astron Agent is built for developers, AI engineers, automation experts, and SaaS founders who need strong workflow orchestration. It breaks complex systems into multiple intelligent AI agents that can connect with APIs, databases, and external tools, handle long-running tasks, and provide real-time monitoring and debugging. Unlike traditional automation that stops when one step fails, Astron Agent lets agents work independently while coordinating with each other. One agent can collect data, another can clean it, a third can run AI models, and another can deliver results. Even if one agent fails, the rest keep running, making workflows faster, scalable, and truly production-ready. To get started, open Command Prompt or PowerShell and run the command git clone https github.com/c Astron Agent. This will download the full source code, Docker configuration files, and sample workflow examples. Once the download is complete, move into the project directory using cd Astron Agent. After that, navigate to the Docker folder with cd Docker and Astron Agent. Now create your environment file by running copy.env.example.env. The env file controls key settings such as service ports, database credentials, authentication options, and external API keys. For initial testing, you can keep the default values, save the file, and start Docker Compose. Once everything is ready, open your browser and go to localhost to access the Astron Agent dashboard. Inside the dashboard, you can create AI agents, design workflows, monitor tasks in real time, and debug errors with ease. For setups with authentication enabled, the default login is usually admin with password 123, which you should change later for security. After logging in, click Create. You'll see three options: Creation Prompt, Creation Workflow, and Voice Virtual Creation. With Creation Prompt, you can define an agent using a single sentence or choose from recommended templates. For this demo, select the Code Review Assistant. Set the agent's name, category, and introduction. Then refine the prompt to define its role, responsibilities, behavior, and style. In the advanced settings, you can enable or disable internet search, AI image generation, and code generation. You can also add a knowledge base, an opening message, personality traits, and select a voice that supports multi-turn conversations. Upload an avatar and click Create. Here you can see Code Assistant is now ready to interact and collaborate. For Creation Workflow, choose Custom Creation. Then drag and arrange nodes such as Launch Model, Code, Knowledge Base, Database, Workflow, and more. Connect these nodes with arrows to define how tasks flow. Enter a workflow name, category, and description. Test the workflow with sample inputs, then click Publish. You can deploy it to the Agent Hub or expose it as an API. Once completed, all your agents are ready to use. From the left side menu, you can explore the Agent Marketplace, Plugin Marketplace, My Agents, Release Management, Model Management, Resource Management, and more. Astron Agent strongly supports open source collaboration. You can export workflows, publish them on GitHub, and submit them to the awesome Astron Workflow Collection, allowing you to contribute to the community and learn from other developers. Astron Agent can run locally, on private clouds, public clouds, or inside enterprise data centers. It scales smoothly from small experiments to full production systems. By combining multi-agent collaboration, deep API integration, long-running task support, real-time monitoring, and open-source sharing, Astron Agent delivers a complete, production-ready automation platform that helps developers turn ambitious ideas into AI workflows that actually work. Check the video description for the Astron Agent GitHub repository and the awesome Astron Workflow collection. Start building your own workflows, share them with the community, and become part of the Astron Agent ecosystem. If this video helped you, hit the like button, subscribe, and watch the next video to discover even more powerful AI tools.